General Module Settings in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the shared pattern behind 5 setup pages: CO2, Compliance, Procurement, Excise, and Brew Sheet. So once you know one, you know all 5. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, CO2 from your dashboard. A handful of settings pages follow the same pattern, so once you know one, you know all 5: CO2, Compliance, Procurement, Excise, and Brew Sheet. Here we're on CO2. I can take you to any of the others the same way. Each one starts with an Enable toggle for that module. Turn it on to make it available in the main navigation. Below that, you'll find the specific configuration for that page. On CO2, that's your default per barrel consumption and whether CO2 is tracked as a raw material. On Compliance, it's which state filing regimes you track. On Procurement, your auto-send and auto-draft rules. On Excise, your tax defaults and filing jurisdiction. On Brew Sheet, which sections are required versus optional on the brew day form. In every case, walk through the settings top to bottom, adjust them to match how your team actually operates, and save at the bottom. Come back to any of these 5 pages anytime your process or compliance requirements change.